So why do you need LLM observability? If you're building an AI agent, a chatbot, or something like this, you must have heard about LLM observability and about OpenTelemetry and the different ways to trace these agents. But why do you need that? So the main reason is that LLM applications are very different from normal software. In fact, they are kind of probabilistic software. LLM applications are stochastic, they are non-deterministic, and as a result, they are unreliable. Let's say you're building a customer support chatbot. You might have kind of asked, can I get reimbursed? And the assistant would say, unfortunately, we don't offer reimbursement. And that would be wrong. In that case, what should you do? The first thing to do is actually to try to understand what went wrong. Was it the context from the documentation that was wrong to this agent? Was it the way we chunked the data, basically that the chunk didn't have all the information? Is it so that the LLM hallucinated, that we need to fix the prompt? And how to do that? I mean, the best way to do it is to see the trace. Really a view about which function call, all the function calls, which inputs, which outputs, and where exactly things went wrong. If you need to debug, and you need to debug agents, you need observability. The second thing is that LLM also are stochastic, as we said. So you might have tried and tested your agent with questions like, can I get reimbursed in training, like when working on the prompt and the chunking strategy, and it worked fine. But now you're going to put it in production and you are going to get very, very different requests from your user. You're going to get, for example, how do I get reimbursed on a different account? And the agent won't be able to fix these. For this, you need to build a data flywheel where the LLM observability is also helpful. So you need to look at the data that you're getting in production, find cases where it's not working, and then put these back into your test set and then improve the application. So your application through LLM observability can improve again and again, iteratively. That's actually the right way to build AI agents. It's an iterative process. You build the first version, you put it in production, you observe, you see where it's going wrong, and then you improve for a next iteration. And now the last reason is because large language model cost a lot. It's very different from software, which has a kind of constant cost. LLMs scale with usage. Different large language models have different costs, different also kind of prompts or RAG strategies can have different number of tokens and different costs, which means you need a way to understand after putting your system in production, which steps in my agent are costing me much, where can I do optimization, which users even are costing me a lot, how much are my prompts or different agents used, and what is the effect of the changes I made to my agent to both cost and latency. So these are actually the main reasons why you need LLM observability. If you're looking for an LLM observability platform, we are building Agenta. It's an open source LLM ops platform that provides you with the whole workflow, with the best practices to build reliable LLM powered application. That is observability, prompt management, evaluation, all in one place where the whole team, developers and subject matter experts can iterate, build something great.